Hey guys, what about a new set of breathtaking gadgets? There are cool Star Wars ships you may use in various ways, infinite speakers, and a cool wallet. There's also a UFO gadget on the list, lamp with Maya inscriptions, and an accessory worth the Godfather. As usual, all the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Ready, steady, go! Now here's a set of incredible speakers designed as the most iconic spaceships from the Star Wars universe. All of them look great, especially when put together. But we're here for the amazing Millennium Falcon, since we're on the light side. First of all, the speaker is Bluetooth enabled, so you won't need the nasty wires, and the range is up to 30 feet. No matter your music preferences, you'll definitely enjoy the clear stereo sound with quality bass. The built-in mic also allows you to make and answer calls right from the Falcon. Plus, the model itself is super detailed and easy to display with the included stand. The rechargeable battery gives you 10 hours of playtime. And these drones will make one of your child's dreams come true. They allow you to join a real Star Wars-style spaceship battle. Each of the 3 models features a classic design, which we all remember from the movies. They all reach a crazy maximum speed of 30 miles per hour within a 200-foot range. There are 3 speed modes suitable for both beginners and professional pilots. Mastering your skills will be easy and fun thanks to the great mobile app. Moreover, the included controller has an integrated smartphone holder, plus it emits sound effects and character voices.
Most impressive.
The infrared lasers allow the drones to see each other in the air and avoid actual collisions. Your battle can get really epic with up to 12 players at a time, so make sure to send the link to all your friends. Playing any kind of sports at night is quite difficult because you just can't see the ball. Besides, you can't show off your skills on social media if no one can see what you're doing. The HoloGear ball is designed to address both issues. With its reflective surface, this ball is able to glow in the dark when you wear the special hologlasses. On top of that, the ball is perfectly visible in flash videos and photos. Now your posts are noticeable. Aside from the high-quality basketball made of hygroscopic leather, there's a volleyball and football versions. Get yourself the glasses and don't tell the other team. Great music always has a bigger hold on you when combined with a beautiful visual effect, so here are some speakers that deliver a mesmerizing effect to any of your tracks. They use a ton of LEDs along with a so-called infinity mirror. It actually creates an optical 3D illusion, making the lights sort of multiply into infinity. Plus, you can sync the lighting with the rhythm of your music. You can pair them with your devices via Bluetooth. The speakers feature a 10-watt output with a 33-foot range, or you can use the aux port for wired connection. The rechargeable battery and compact size allow you to take them anywhere you go. And this option is extended with a large subwoofer. It ensures much deeper bass and overall higher volume. The side panel brings you easy controls for the bass, volume, and lighting. When the lights are off, these make a great mirror setup. Now, if Tom had this gadget, Jerry wouldn't stand a chance. As every technology, mousetraps have heavily developed since their invention. This smart trap is a flawless weapon featuring a 100% kill rate. On top of that, it uses a mobile app to instantly notify you about every eliminated rodent. Setting up the trap is extremely simple. You have to install 2 batteries and put the bait into a special cup. The removable kill chamber makes disposal and cleaning really simple. Also, there's a safety switch that protects your children and pets. And from a humane perspective, this thing does its job as quickly as possible. Some people think that cryptocurrencies aren't as safe and reliable as regular money, but here's a gadget that helps to eliminate most of the concerns. In terms of shape and size, it's almost like a flash drive weighing only 0.5 ounces. This thing allows you to securely store multiple assets and carry out instant transactions. All your private data is stored in a special secure chip and locked by an 8-digit PIN code. Thanks to the built-in LED display and 2 physical buttons, you don't need a PC for most of the operations. However, you can easily manage your assets and access the advanced settings in the desktop app. The wallet connects to your PC via a standard micro USB cable, and if you lose it, don't worry, there's a backup option. This amazing accessory turns almost any Android smartphone into a portable gaming console. With its ergonomic design and real physical buttons, it brings you the same experience as Nintendo Switch or PS Vita. The 51-degree adjustable range allows you to easily plug phones of different sizes without any damage. The direct USB-C connectivity ensures the lowest possible latency. The controller is powered by your phone's battery, but thankfully you can connect the charging cable right to the controller and continue playing while charging. In addition, the slight gap left between the phone and the case allows air circulation and prevents overheating. This controller is compatible with most cloud gaming platforms like Google Stadia, Shadow, and others. So why would one buy a console? Let's be honest. No one sees their eye doctor as regularly as they should, but with this gadget, there's no need to. This little tracker and the special mobile app compatible both with Android and iOS allow everyone to test their vision in a matter of seconds. The process is really simple and doesn't require a bachelor's degree in medicine. Just press the test button and attach the gadget to your smartphone. After you've completed the test, the app will tell you the exact lens power recommended for your eyes. This gadget is suitable both for nearsightedness and farsightedness as well as astigmatism. All your vision history will be collected in the personal dashboard so you can monitor the dynamics. The app also allows you to instantly order a new pair of glasses which will suit you perfectly. Sorry, doctor, you won't be missed. Fidget spinners aren't dead yet. This creative design gives the gadget a whole new twist. Now you're actually holding a small UFO that landed right on your fingertips. High-quality mechanism ensures long and fast rotation, but it's still going to stay extremely silent no matter how hard you spin it. The precision manufacturing using zinc alloy brings nice finish and great durability. The reflective green lines provide a stunning visual effect, especially in the violet light. Here's another great spinner equipped with luminous strips. Its modern look with sharp edges is definitely no less impressive. You know, the most unique and elegant accessories aren't always that functional, but this steampunk lamp combines incredible aesthetics with a bunch of really cool features. First of all, it's equipped with two retro-style bulbs which support various brightness levels. Adjusting the brightness must be really fun with that large, mysterious wheel. On the opposite, there's a fully functional voltmeter that shows the real-time voltage in the bulbs. There's much more on the rear side. Two windows with multicolor RGB lighting bring a touch of vividness to the whole look. Plus, there's a pretty large clock with nice yellow backlight. On top of that, the built-in microphone allows you to sync the colorful lighting with your music. Finally, there are some actual Mayan inscriptions all over the metal casing, so you can spend years trying to decode them. Godfather isn't just an iconic movie, but also one of the best soundtracks of all time. And now it's also a watch. This unique accessory by Jacob & Company combines the finest watch technologies with an integrated musical box. When the chiming function is activated, you'll hear 30 seconds of the most memorable part of the soundtrack. It's also provided with movement of the dial, which rotates by 120 degrees. On top of that, the watch is full of fascinating details like the Godfather figure and the black lacquered piano. In some versions, you'll also see a tiny lead sheet. Another incredible part is the triple-axis tourbillon. It includes 104 components and still weighs just 0.04 ounces. Naturally, the watch uses premium materials such as platinum, steel, and titanium, along with rose gold and sapphire crystal. You know, that's what Godfather's like.